In the last 6 months, we've hit many milestones. The activity in Devens at the SPARC facility continues to be at an all-time high. In the SPARC plant, we've had arrival of big equipment. So the vacuum vessel has been fabricated, the first half has arrived, the other half is shipping right now. That's the heart of the Fusion tokamak. That's the biggest component for SPARC. In the factory, we've shipped our first TF magnet. We've actually also finished the building blocks, the pancakes, the TF pancakes that go into the TF magnets. We needed to make 300 of them, and they've all been made. Fusion is increasingly becoming more mainstream. This is the first year that we'll see Fusion at CES, the big consumer electronics show. You're seeing Fusion go from only an academic-minded area into something that is much more industrial with leading companies, where we're getting the best and brightest, and they're coming and partnering with TFS. We had a big fundraising round, over $800 million from global leading investors. This included a consortium of Japanese investors. With Google, we've announced a partnership with DeepMind, also included NVIDIA, who we announced a partnership around building AI-enabled digital twins for fusion power plants. That fundraising round continues to make us the largest and most capitalized fusion company in the world. So we previously announced that Google is going to buy half the power from the first ARC power plant in Virginia. We've continued to sign up customers to buy the remaining power of that plant. E&I, a large energy company, has agreed to buy the power and use it for industrial processes. That's a really great example of how fusion is a general purpose energy source for the future. The conversation has shifted in Washington and the rest of the world from what is fusion to how do we make this go as fast as possible. Within the US government, we've seen it elevate up to the Secretary of Energy, came and visited us. They've announced that fusion is one of the top 3 priorities of this administration. We're increasingly in a global race for fusion energy, and the stakes are increasingly well understood. This means the future of the industrial enterprise, how we power the world. Energy is prosperity, and fusion is the ultimate way to get energy. And we can track how we're doing. We know what the milestones are. I published an open letter that explained how to judge each step in the development of fusion energy. People are working on each step, they're publishing what they're doing. That's very exciting. The last 6 months, you're really about getting the first parts of SPARC here. In the next 6 months, it's about doing that over and over and over again as we show the pace that we can deliver these very replicable pieces. We'll stack up the TF magnets. We'll see other things arrive in the tokamak hall that go and attach to the TF. We'll ship the first colloidal field magnet, the ring magnets that go around it. And so this is the 6 months where the plant turns into operation and the tokamak turns into what looks like a tokamak.